Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about stock market investing. That's right, we have the SSN Nation paper trading that we have to talk about from 2 weeks ago, and every 2 weeks from this time forward. Let's see how we're doing. And welcome to Foci Optics. Check. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. And as you can see, we're on the Stop Struggling Now YouTube channel page. And I want to thank you for being here. And please share the videos. We're trying to help thousands, if not millions, of other people. And once again, I have to point out the join button over here on the right hand side. And I should mention something. If you've been a member past 6 months, depending on what category you're in, I owe you a Stop Struggling Now t-shirt. I'm going to be contacting people because I think some people qualify for the free gear. So that's a thank you for being a member of the channel. And that's what this join button over here is for. And you receive special messages under the community tab. And on Wednesday nights, it's members only chat. And this Wednesday, we're going to have, if any members want to come into the live stream visually or talk, we can do that as well. So that's going to be on the table. So look for the link under the community tab specifically for members in the next day or so. So anyhow, let's talk about this, ladies and gentlemen. We have been doing the stock market paper trading. I just started this June 28th. So that's all we're talking about here is basically about 2 weeks. So we're going to go look on the screen. And if you haven't downloaded Webull, please download Webull app where you can get your free share of stock. Okay? Also, they have now started fractional shares, meaning if there's a stock such as what we're going to talk about today that I have not added to the paper trading for the stock so we can all keep track. This is the Stop Struggling Now stock portfolio on paper trading. You can see I'm on the screen now, and what I'm going to do is okay, I see I have a little problem. So hold on. Looks like I'm gonna have to get out of these kind of places. Alright, so you guys can see here, you clicked that profile logo, up pops the page. This is where you look for your free shares of stock, and you can see where you can get your 4 free shares of stock on here. And notice the paper trading down here at the bottom. That takes us to our portfolio. So in 2 weeks, the portfolio only went up 0.01%. Remember, this is $1 million, but it's paper trading. You can see it on the screen. Okay, so we have done good with Chipotle. You guys know about CMG. We've talked about that before. We talked about you should be getting Apple as well. But for everything else, it's in the negatives right now. And you know what we talk about here. Some of these in the negative, like AMC, it's went down dramatically. We have 10 shares. So just to show people what we're going to do, we need to buy more shares, right? So we're going to buy 10 more because the price went down, and that would increase our dollar cost average. So you can see how simple this is. Nothing hard about this. And this will probably fill the next day because I have on regular hours. So in fact, let me go show you. Let's see if we can do. No, we can't. We can only do. I'll do good until canceled. But it looks like we can't do after hours, which is after hours right now. So that means this will trade tomorrow, but our dollar cost average will go down. So I wanted you to see that. So there's no problem there. And now I have to get back to the main screen. Now let's get into some things that we're going to be buying. All right. Now you see the fluctuations because there's after hours trading right now, even though on the paper trading apparently we can't do after hours. So let's talk about something that I should have purchased before. Here's Nvidia. Nvidia is a big time company. In fact, I don't know why they haven't split their shares yet, but they have not. Now look at this. 6 months ago when we were always talking about it, in fact Mr. Financial Curtis Davis was talking about it since last year. So even in the last 6 months, if you would have bought it $500, you would have had 50% increase on your investment. Whether your investment was $100, $300, $500 or more, you have 50% increase on your investment. That is a win. Plus they give you like a 0.079% dividend yield. So this is why on the screen, once again, let's add Nvidia so everybody can see NVDA for everybody on podcasts. Now we go to paper trading and we're going to get, oh, we do have a choice. Oh yes, we do have a choice. For some reason I didn't have a choice on the other one. That's weird. Oh yes, some stocks don't trade after hours. There's not enough volume. So they kind of limit it. So we're going to add 10 shares today. All right. So you guys can see that. No problems. Right? So we're going to add Nvidia to the list. Who else are we going to add to the list? We're going to add the next one. Now, we're going to have to go get AMC. Did I already get that one? Look at AMC over the last month. It's been going down, ladies and gentlemen. Just in a month, it's lost almost 31%. So, again, I'm showing you what we do here. We would buy more. So, if I messed up and do this twice, that's fine. But here we go. AMC, extended hours, 10. I think I did do it twice, but it's okay. So, at least I'll cancel the other one after the video. So now we have 10 there. You can see and now something I did not talk about, which everybody should consider, PSEC. The reason why this is a dividend stock. You can see at the bottom of the page here, 8.72% at this price point. Now, over the last 6 months, this has went up 44%. Some of you, in fact, anybody that's been around for a year knows we were always talking about PSEC. And if you were around for a year, then you would have these type of gains. 67% gains right now. Some people would say, why aren't you selling? But keep in mind, the dividend yield last year when it was half this price almost, that means the dividend yield is double digits. 12, 13, 14%, 15% on your money. So you are getting reinvestment of your money if you're doing the reinvesting of your dividends. So this is why I don't have PSEC in this portfolio. So remember, all of this is starting from today. All right, this is not starting from last year. This is starting from today. So next, when we do this, I'll probably do this every 2 weeks, and you guys can understand. This will be our little portfolio, so you can understand what's happening. And now what's up if you want dividends? Once again, there's another stock, AGNC. Now keep in mind, A is in Apple, G is in George, N is in Nancy, C is in Charles for everybody on podcast. You can understand that PSEC and AGNC gives you dividends every month. So even though it's 8.80%, it could be compounded every month. So if the stock price dips like it did today, AGNC sent out dividends, it gets reinvested. So now I reinvested at this a little bit lower price, but the money that I'm reinvesting today only earns 8.80%. But if you would have invested like a year ago, like we talked about, you would have the appreciation of 26%, and you would have been at 11 to 11.5% on your money. Some of us are earning 11.5% on our money because we invested a year ago. A lot of members of SSN Nation have also done this. All right. Now, let's go get AGNC. We need that as well. So we're going to do our trade. Apparently there's enough after hours. Let's see, we're going to do 10. We're just doing the limit order, whatever. Oh, we got to change it. Whatever the order is right now, we'll just go up to 48. Just so the trade occurs, insufficient funds. I don't know what that means. All right, that is different. Insufficient funds, order failure. Okay, well, learned something new today. The paper trading has $1 million. So I don't know why this would say that. But again, we'll just do this tomorrow. Let's see if we can get the 10 in. We'll have to do this tomorrow then, right? Regular hours. It still says we have insufficient. So I don't know why we have insufficient funds, but we're going to have to add that. And then everybody has to understand QQQ. Let's go see what this is about. QQQ. All right. You can see the trust series. And once again, we'll go back 6 months, 15% in the last 6 months, 39% in the last year. That's not bad for an index fund. All right. And then another index fund is VOO. So I will be adding these. I guess it'll have to be tomorrow because I don't know why this isn't wanting to trade, why they're doing insufficient funds on the paper trading, because we have $1 million in there for paper trading. All right, so let's move along. We got Vanguard, which you guys have heard, VOO, right? So once again, just so you guys can understand how simple this is, quantity of 10, 400.46. For some strange reason, it's not allowing us to buy, but it's okay. I will have added this in the next day or two. This isn't normal. If you had your own account versus paper trading, then of course if you didn't have enough money, then you wouldn't be able to trade. Or if you already have an account and you have money in your account, it might allow you to trade because you will be able to trade against your margin, borrow and trade, which is risky, of course, because now you have to, since you're borrowing above what you have as cash, then you will be subject to getting a margin call if you borrowed such as 30% of it, of your whole portfolio. Then it would drop 10%, then you would be called up to say, hey, we got to maintain this 30%. All right, just an example. So hopefully that gets you guys back into the game, and we'll go to our paper trading stocks and let's see what we got here. Here's some of our positions. It looks like buying power appears to be $7.62. I don't know why that is, because I really don't know why. So anyhow, you can see, I'll scroll again so you can see some of the shares that we have, and it doesn't appear that, oh, AMC now has 20 shares, so that went through. All right, so our dollar cost average went down, helped us out. Then let's see who else has 20. OLN has 20. All right, and nothing else apparently is here. I don't see PSEC, I don't see any of those, so I don't know exactly how this is working. But anyhow, you see 21 positions. This is how we're doing it. This is our Stop Struggling Now paper trading account, and I don't know if I'll be able to put this up on a screen or put it into the StopStrugglingNow.com website, because this is on the phone. But anyhow, I just wanted to point this out for you guys today and let you know this is what we're going to keep on going, so then you can see how this works in real time. Okay, this happens just like when we couldn't buy today. This could happen, like I said, even if you did have money. Sometimes the stock is trading at a low volume and might not be able to trade after hours, or the stock may be a small stock that most people haven't heard of. So again, the trading volume doesn't allow for after hours. But remember, 9:30, right? So is 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and they have pre, meaning on Webull at 4 a.m. in the morning you could start trading. pre-market. On Robinhood, pre-market starts at 9 a.m. So a lot of activity can happen between 4 a.m. and 9 a.m. But some people wait till the market opens well into an hour or two later. It just depends on your investing style. So once again, I had to give you the update, and hopefully you guys will stay up with this. I'm going to run it every 2 weeks from now on, about 2 weeks to 14, 15, 16 days, and we'll keep going. And you'll see sometimes investing isn't always a win-win. Sometimes you have to spend time, just like Warren Buffett. You spend time, you invest in good companies, spend time, do your due diligence, and that's what we do here. So all I wanted to say was thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, and this is why we always have to look at diversifying. That's why we talk about stock market. That's why we talk about the real estate market. That's why we talk about even getting gold, silver, and precious metals, even copper's precious metals, right? That's why we have to talk about different ways to invest. That includes dividend investing, and bonds could possibly be along that lines as well. But you have to think about all these different options where even if one goes down, the other goes up. That even includes crypto. Okay, so one goes down, another goes up. And once again, get your free stocks from Robinhood and Webull down below. Get your free $10 from Coinbase. Make this simple for yourself and start investing with the extra money that you have to invest. You don't have to get crazy, but you should be putting a little bit away into vehicles that can make your money work for you. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.